way to the Sequim Prairie Nights car show. I got my Model A all cleaned up and running great. Should be a fun day. Well, the Sequim Valley Car Club is caravanning to the car show. The reason we're caravanning together is we want to park as a club in one location, as close together as we can. Still running a little rough. We need to make some more adjustments of the distributor cap points. My spot right in front of WaFd Bank. There's the registration. So I'm gonna walk down here and check out the Sequim Valley Car Club lineup.
Hey, Bill.
A lot of pride and ownership here with these beautiful, beautiful vehicles. Marine air's moved in, even a little drizzle.
Crabbing or fishing?
Fishing.
Yeah. Hi there.
I know. Made me think right there.
Paint job is pretty good on this one.
It is, and it really looks great in this gray weather. Beautiful. Here we have Oreo, black and white. Moving on to the Rat Pack. So much detail. The uglier, the better.
Original flathead.
Some young admirers of the Model A pickup. Do that again, Wally. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, you're stirring everybody up here. Thank you, it was fun sharing it with you. So the expert here thinks that idle is okay. A little bit of shaking, and as soon as I put a little throttle on it, it goes away.
Here's your adjustments too for that idle.
Oh, okay.
Idle faster or slower. You got to double nut it.
Okay, so I should probably move it in a little.
Right there.
Now I have a video of that sound, so I can duplicate that.
You got a little bit of a drip in your carburetor. You see it drip? That's why you're smelling gas.
Oh,
The shutoff valve for that when you're not running them.
turns out there was a
Anybody
crank
hear me?
under the seat.
All right, let's get.
You're in business.
I'm gonna get this show on the road. Sequim's very own
So now I
Amanda
can-
Bacon is gonna open it for
I can
us.
line up the distributor cap
You like to
contacts
swing around
with the
just
rotor.
so? We
Yep.
got about 2
Now it's
minutes.
in gear right now, so
2
You got to
minutes.
find the right place
yeah.
and then just pull up on it,
Okay, fantastic.
and you'll be able to set your distributor that way, your points and everything.
We're gonna get the national anthem sung to us.
All right, here we go. Amanda Bacon. Thank you, everyone.
Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly they hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Very good. Beautiful.
And one white ticket out of your bag to come over and win free prizes. So get your tickets out. We're posting numbers on the board throughout the day.
It's not quite that high tech.
Oh, you need to buy it.
had to have it flatbed at home. Car show? I'm from the Venice. Where? Best looking thing out here, right there, man.
Well, I don't know, but
There's an awesome dog. Is that a Heidelberg Shepherd?
I thought the same.
That I understand.
The performance is good and good.
Starting to brighten up a little bit. Look where you're going. This young man wants to sit in the Model A. Press it harder. Okay, that's good. Lots more people and sunshine.
Yep. Texas company.
My Model A is getting a lot of views today. It's nice. It's fun to tell a story about it.
I'm okay.
Beautiful. More cars here than there were earlier, and some nice ones. Wow. Wow, what a terrific car show today. Lots of beautiful vehicles, people galore, perfect weather. I enjoyed showing my car to interested people and letting a few young boys inside. That was special.
3476.
Two Corvettes and a keychain.
3558. 3558. 8349. 8416. Here we go. 3310. 250 value. Thank you, Les Schwab. 3389. I can't believe they're not here. 3387.
Yes.
4A1 gift certificates for 50 each, so we'll do 4 tickets for that. Thank you, A1. By the way. 3352, 3404, 3308, 3461, 3434. Hey, you did all right today. Yes, I did. Yeah. Hey, you bet. Thank you. 3317, 3417, 3462. Thank you. Only got 2 more to go here. 3375, 3446, 3419.
That's me.
3421, 3394. Ford, favorite Rat Rod, favorite Chevy truck, also import Dodge, which I should do in the future as a Mopar. Favorite Ford is number 1112, a 58 Ford Custom 300. Is that you? Number 1030, a 1956 Ford, very red. So the judge's favorite is, do anybody have a guess? Number 1059, the pink truck.
Larry Morris.
This is the one you folks picked, and this is the one that got the most votes. Martin Little with his 1968 Dodge Charger. Cool. That's going to be it for this year.
Car show's over. What a great time.